Welcome back to Power Up. I'm your host, and today we're tearing into a product that's absolutely essential but often overlooked until disaster strikes. The APC Back UPS 600 VA model BX600C. We call this the ultimate budget power protection, and we're going to walk through the unboxing experience and dive into what makes this little black box a hero for your home office. Getting the goods. The minute you get the box in your hands, you'll realize this unit is built for practicality. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be functional. We're dealing with a compact black tower. It's designed to be tucked away, maybe under your desk or beside a filing cabinet. It's got a small footprint, which is a major win for crowded spaces. We're looking at something around 4.7 kilograms, easy enough to move, and a slim profile that won't dominate your workspace. Beyond the UPS itself, it's a pretty minimalist package. The unit, a quick start guide, and the warranty info. No fuss, just the necessities. This is where it gets good for a budget unit. This BX600C model, particularly common in regions like India, comes with 3 standard 3-pin output sockets. And here's the kicker. All 3 outlets provide battery backup and surge protection. That's rare and super useful, meaning you can power your PC, monitor, and router simultaneously without worrying about choosing which one gets the critical protection. The core protection. So you've got it plugged in. What exactly is the BX600C doing to protect your gear? Rating. We're running on 600 volt amperes, VA, translating to 360 watts of usable power. Think of this as enough juice to handle a standard desktop computer, its monitor, and your entire networking stack, modem, router, for a crucial period. AVR, automatic voltage regulation. This is the game changer. Your power grid doesn't deliver a perfect 230 volts all the time. Sometimes it dips low, sometimes it spikes high. The AVR actively steps up those low voltages and steps down the high ones without touching the battery. Why is that huge? It means your battery is saved only for a complete outage, dramatically extending its lifespan and ensuring it's ready when you really need it. It features a 255 joule surge protection rating. That's a dedicated shield against those sudden, damaging spikes of electricity, like during a lightning storm or when the power comes back on. With a typical desktop PC drawing a light load, you're looking at maybe 15 to 20 minutes of battery time. That's not for finishing a game. That's enough time to save your work, close your applications, and perform a graceful shutdown. If you only connect your router and modem, you can easily get an hour or more of uptime. Perfect for staying connected during short blips. Yes, it has cold start capability. If the power is completely out, you can still turn the UPS on to boot your system. If the battery has a charge, it keeps you informed with audible alarms, that high-pitched beep that tells you the power is out, and a simple LED display to show you the current status. Is it running on utility power? Is it running on the battery? Is it overloaded? The final word. The APC Back UPS 600 VA BX600C is the definition of value and reliability. For home users, students, or small businesses protecting a single workstation, it checks all the boxes. AVR protection, dedicated surge safeguarding, and an all-in-one battery backup for your 3 most critical components. It's the peace of mind you get for a very reasonable price. It's a definite power-up recommendation.